Hi, my name is Jess. I work on the customer success team here at TextureQuest, and today we are going to be talking about how to create keywords, how to effectively manage our keyword groups, and how to set up QR codes for keywords. In TextureQuest, we're going to start in the settings section under keywords. A keyword is a unique word that your customers or patients can text to your business phone number to then be opted in for specific information. An automated text is able to be sent, so that's an option you have. So when somebody texts that unique keyword to your business number, they would receive an automated text in response and be added to a subscriber list. So keywords are primarily used for one of two reasons: to send a preset message to anyone who texts that keyword to you, or to build a group of subscribers so that you can text updates on that specific topic. To create a new keyword, you'll click New Keyword, add that specific word that you'd like to use. Keywords are not case sensitive, and they'll work regardless of if the message is capitalized when it's texted into you, or if it's lowercase whenever it's texted into you. The only thing that you need to know here is that your message cannot contain a space, so it just needs to be one word. So even if it were to be like check in, for instance, how I would recommend setting that up is check in as if it's one word. And then here is where you would type out the message you'd like to send whenever somebody texts that word to you. And then at this point, you have the option to include an additional opt-out message to be attached to that text. So if you'd like to offer this person the opportunity and the information to opt out of the specific keyword without opting out of receiving text from you as a whole, you have that option here. Some examples of keywords are check in, like I suggested. So one that we see often is check in, and then the response here, once somebody texts that word, is welcome, please complete your online check-in forms. You can include a link for those online forms if somebody needs to, complete any forms once they arrive to your facility. And then you can even instruct them to text back with any questions. And then another option here is discount. So we see this just as often. Somebody could text the word discount into your phone number, and then you could provide them with some information on any promotions you have coming up, along with a link to your website. And then you can include a discount there. So maybe you want to give them 10% off of their next purchase with you, and providing a link in order for them to complete that purchase. So then once these people have texted in and you've either provided them with additional information or a discount code, for instance, you can then click on one of these action icons. So this little three dots, and you can click Manage Subscribers. That's going to take you directly to the list of the contacts that have subscribed to that keyword group. So then you can, for instance, message this entire group now. So I have contacts added here. I have all of the people who have subscribed to my discount keyword, and I'm able to send them updates for future promotions. Another way to utilize keywords is through a QR code. So we've provided a help guide for how to set up QR codes to SMS in the Text Request Help Center. You're also able to use our search bar to ask questions or find feature help for any of our other features, but I'll walk you through this QR code to SMS. So we're able to use QR code generator to set up free QR codes. And the way that you would set this up for SMS is you'll select the SMS option, add your number and the message that you'd like to fill in. So the way that this would operate is somebody would then scan a QR code either on your socials, in your facility. They would scan it in the parking lot, on your website, wherever you want to display this QR code, and you would fill in what you want that message to say. So that would be your keyword in this case. So if we're sticking with our discount use case, let's say somebody's in your store or on your website, they scan your QR code, and you automatically fill in this message to say discount. That way, when they click the send button, they're sending you that keyword. And then they're then added to the keyword group. So you're able to fill in that word discount here, and then you're able to get those people to then text the word to you and subscribe to the keyword. So then they're going to receive the automated response. Back in text requests, you're able to add this feature to your plan by going to the account tab, clicking plan, click edit plan, and then scroll down to manage plan and your add-on features. Under add-on features, you'll see unlimited keywords. If you click there, you'll click add to plan. This feature is an additional $15. And if you have any additional questions or if you'd like to review how you would use this feature in your text request account, please reach out to us. We are more than happy to help. You're able to click this help icon at the top of the page to schedule time with our team, view our help center, or text us. You're able to text or call this phone number and speak to somebody here at Text Request, and we are always more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.